Hey guys, it's me here. And lately, I gotta tell you something creepy. I've been hearing strange noises coming from my walls. I don't know what it is. This probably this house could be haunted. I don't know. I extremely don't know. All I know is it's creepy. Oh, what the fuck is that?